Hi, it's Jodie from Derived from Nature. Today I'm going to show you 2 ways to layer your garden beds. Method 1 is layer your garden bed with the tallest plants at the back and stagger in height till you reach the front. Method 2 is to plant your tallest plants in the middle of your bed and then stagger the plants on each side till you reach the front. Another way to add layers to your garden is to add structures for vertical growing space. This adds another layer to your garden and also a focal point. Another way to add layers is to play with textures and colour. For example, with this kale, scarlet kale, curly kale and kale cavolo nero. Here's an example of what I've planted in this bed. In the middle I have summer broccoli and cauliflower along with kale. The next layer I have silver beet, spring onion and celery. The lower levels at the front of the bed are filled with things like Chinese cabbage, Popeye spinach and lettuce. And lastly, edible flowers and herbs for natural pest control.